jump in.
Watch out, Johnson. Jeff's video.
Rambo!
He'll be alright.
Yeah. I just want to make sure I got it out of the way of the rain.
You got the heater on. Yeah. Yeah. You want to sit down? Sit down. No.
Jonathan, maybe big head.
You're all right, bud.
Better put the seatbelt on, Jennifer.
Man, seatbelt for waiting.
Rambo?
Is he gonna throw it down or what?
I don't know.
He did not get very far that time. He's done it.
Hey, that dog's out there getting a mud bath. Well, he buried that one.